guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are talking about deepening our romantic relationships with manifestation. So let's get right into it. I'm going to share with you powerful manifestation practices that will strengthen and deepen the bond of your special someone. Whether you're already in a relationship or you are seeking to bring in deep connections, these techniques will help you align your energy and intentions for the love you desire. So let's dive in. We already know what manifestation is, but how does it help with romantic? So when it comes to romantic relationships, manifestation allows you to intentionally focus on the energy, on love, connection, and growth. It's about setting clear intentions for the type of relationship you want, whether it's actually attracting a partner or deepening the bond you already have with your current partner. Remember, everything starts with energy. If your thoughts and emotions align with love, you can draw more love into your life. So let's get into some practices. One powerful manifestation technique is visualization. It allows you to vividly imagine the type of connection you want to experience with your partner. It's about creating a mental picture of the love that you desire. So I'm going to guide you through a quick, simple visualization practice right now. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. Now imagine yourself and your partner in a peaceful, loving environment. Feel the warmth, the love, the connection between you two. Picture the joy and trust in your relationship. Focus on the details. What does your partner's smile look like? How does it feel when they hold your hand? Visualize your relationship growing stronger each day. And as you do this, affirm that you are deserving of this deep love and connection. You can practice this every day, even just for a few minutes, to align your energy with the love you want to cultivate in your relationship. Another great way to strengthen your relationship is through affirmations. Affirmations help reprogram your subconscious mind to focus on positive aspects of your relationship. So here are some affirmations you can use to deepen your bond. Repeat these affirmations every morning or whenever you feel doubt creeping in. By speaking these words aloud, you're not only strengthening belief in love that you already have, but you're also attracting more into your life. Journaling is another amazing tool for manifestation. When we write down our thoughts and feelings, we reflect on where we are in a relationship and where we want to go. So here are a few journal prompts that can help you deepen your relationship. Take a few minutes each day just to journal your thoughts, and you'll find that it not only brings you clarity, but it helps you focus on what truly matters in your relationship. Now let's talk about energy alignment. This is one of the most crucial steps of manifesting. It's important to remember that to attract love, you must first love yourself. Self-love is the foundation of a healthy relationship. So, do you practice self-love? Start by taking care of yourself, physically, emotionally, mentally. Prioritize your own well-being and happiness. When you love and respect yourself, it sets the tone for the partner to do the same. Also, practice self-compassion and give yourself grace, because when you love yourself fully, you create a space for your partner to love you on a deeper level. Let's touch on the law of attraction. One of the most powerful tools for manifesting. The law of attraction is simple. Like attracts like. The energy you put out into the world is the energy that you attract. So if you focus on positive aspects of your relationship, the good moments, the love, the laughter, the togetherness, you'll attract even more of that. So try to shift your focus away from any negativity or challenges, and instead express gratitude for your partner and the love you already share. Gratitude amplifies positive energy, and it's a beautiful way to manifest even more love and connection into your life. Finally, let's talk about setting intentions for the future. The future of your relationship starts today. So what do you want to create? Set clear intentions by writing down your relationship goals. These could be short-term goals, or like spending more quality time together, or long-term goals like growing together in a mutual love and respect. Visualize where you see yourself in a year or 5 years. You could even include a vision board dedicated to your relationship. Include pictures of what you want to experience together, traveling, growing a family, simply enjoying each other's company. Whatever it is that resonates with you, get some pictures and keep these visuals where you can see them daily to reinforce your intentions. So to recap, we've covered visualization, affirmations, journaling, energy alignment, and the law of attraction to help you deepen your romantic relationship. It's all about setting your intentions and aligning your energy with the love that you want to manifest. I'd love to hear from you. So have you tried any of these manifestation techniques in your own relationship? Let me know down below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up or possibly subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.